Hello viewers, we have our client Mr. Vedvyas Racharla with us, who has been granted a subclass 189 visa in ICT sector. So first of all, congratulations for your visa grant.
Yeah.
So just to start with your feedback about your journey in Australia, can you tell us how it all started as a student? How was your journey from back home to here, and what did you do during the student visa?
Okay, sure. So I'm from Hyderabad, and I did my bachelor's on electronics and communication engineering, and then I decided to move to Australia to study computer networking. And in the beginning of the course, when I started masters, I didn't know much about how to approach visas and how to get the permanent residency. But when I finished my master's course and when I was about to apply for TR and professional year, and that's when I found Aussizz Group, which was referred by one of my friend. And then during those TR and professional year application process, I found it really well, and I got connected with the agents all around the Aussizz Group, and later on I went through multiple visas, and then now I got a permanent residency recently.
Okay, so that's a great journey. And so you already answered this question, which is like, how did you come to know about Aussizz, by the way?
Yeah.
And why did you choose Aussizz? But if you can probably tell us more about it.
So the reason I choose Aussizz because initially I was skeptical, but later on when I found out that Aussizz Group is one of the best migration consultancy in entire Australia, or maybe outside Australia as well. And then I've seen a lot of my friends going through it, so why wouldn't I go through it if something best is available out there in the market, right? So and then I found really helpful with all the agents that are working over here, who were guiding me from starting of the application till I get the grant. So that is the reason I chose Aussizz Group.
Right. And how was the communication throughout the process in terms of planning your PR process or journey entirely? And how was the communication during the process, services wise? Like, were there high standard of services maintained by all the people who worked on your case with you?
Yeah, so the one who worked on my case was Kaivalya Dev and then Jinal. So whenever I used to get any doubts, I emailed them at any point of time, and they used to respond pretty quickly right after. And then if there's any situations where I don't understand what they're exactly saying, what I need to do, then they used to call me and give me a clarification on what was actually the situation was. So I would say like communication is the best thing that I found, and the openness and the way connecting with the people, I found that really helpful from the Aussizz Group.
And quality of advice and knowledge and everything.
Obviously, that's 100%. Like, I've seen the most knowledgeable agents that I've ever seen outside.
That's great. Thank you very much. And we wish you good luck for your future. Would you like to recommend your friends and family to us?
Yeah, sure. So anyone who is going through migration issues, if anyone needs support or a guidance, I would 100% recommend Aussizz Group, whether it's Parramatta branch or Sydney branch. I would highly suggest you to go and talk to the agents and get your visa sorted. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for coming in today.
Thank you so much, Baba.